Total station surveyors play a crucial role in the field of engineering and construction. These professionals are equipped with advanced surveying equipment, such as total stations, which are used to measure distances, angles, and elevations with high accuracy. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, a rapidly developing industrial hub in India, the demand for total station surveyors has been on the rise due to the increasing number of infrastructure projects. From land development to building construction, these surveyors are responsible for providing accurate measurements and data that are essential for the successful completion of any project. One prominent company in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, that specializes in total station surveying is SCON Design. With their expertise and state-of-the-art equipment, SCON Design has become a trusted name in the industry. They offer a wide range of surveying services, including land surveying, topographic surveying, and construction staking. Their team of experienced surveyors is well-versed in using total stations to capture precise measurements and produce detailed reports. SCON Design understands the importance of accuracy and precision in surveying. Their total station surveyors utilize the latest technology to ensure that measurements are taken with utmost precision. By using advanced software and equipment, they are able to minimize errors and provide clients with reliable data. Whether it is for boundary surveys or setting out control points, SCON Design's total station surveyors have the knowledge and expertise to handle various surveying needs. In Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, where rapid development is taking place, accurate surveying is crucial for efficient land utilization. The data collected by these professionals is used to create precise site plans, maps, and other documents that guide the development process. Engineers and construction workers rely heavily on total station surveyors for their work. These experts have top-of-the-line surveying tools at their disposal, including total stations, which are used to precisely measure elevations, angles, and distances. The demand for total station surveyors has increased as a result of the expansion in infrastructure projects in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, an industrial region in India that is quickly rising. These surveyors must deliver precise measurements and data that are necessary for the proper execution of any project, from land development to building construction. Total station surveying is a specialty of SCON Design, a well-known business in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. SCON Design has earned a reputation for excellence in the field thanks to their knowledge and cutting-edge tools. Land surveying, topographic surveying, and construction staking are just a few of the many surveying services they provide. The skilled surveyors on their staff are adept at taking precise measurements using total stations and generating thorough reports. SCON Design is cognizant of the value of precision and accuracy in surveying. Their complete station surveyors take measurements with the utmost accuracy thanks to the use of cutting-edge equipment. They are able to reduce faults and give clients trustworthy data by utilizing cutting-edge software.